to Mobile Legends!
Hi guys, then playing game, we can make the salted egg.
Okay, let's make it. What are the ingredients?
The ingredients are duck egg, coarse salt, rubbing ice, and sandpaper.
Okay, we prepare the ingredients.
First, we fill the bucket with half water. Add duck eggs in water one by one. If it's been 2 minutes, clean the eggs. Then the egg sandpaper until smooth. Insert the ice rub into the water. Then stir until like pasta. Enter the salt just now. Then stir it again. Then coat the egg. Until the eggs become like this. Then cover and let stand for 5 or 7 days.
It's been 7 days. Clean the salted egg with the water.
Okay.
Fill the pan with half water.
After that, input the salted egg into the pan.
Then boil the eggs with a small size. Over for approximately 15 minutes. If it is already salted, eggs are ready to be served.